Team mar Equity Dumas, JKUAT Links kaachiel gi team mbalariany mar Zitek gin moko kuom timbe mane oyudo loch e tuke mag okapu e lig maduong' pacho ka India lap manyayo. Team mar Equity Dumas noyudo loch mar points 19 kuom 7 e kindgi gi team mar Wolfpack e kuota mokwongo, kapok team mar Wolfpack oyudo loch mar points 16 kuom 15 e kuota mar 2. Kuota mar 3 team bengi mar Equity Dumas no dhi nyime gi duoko maber bang' yudo points 20 kuom 16 ka kuota mar 4 noruma modhi points 13 kuom 13. E tuke mamoko mano bagi alap manyayo, team mbalariany ma JKUAT Links noyudo team mar Eldonets points 46 kuom 43 ka team mar Zitek University noloyo team mar bengi mar Stanbic points 50 kuom 44.
We didn't play our style of play. We had a lot of mistakes and turnovers especially. And then the worst part about it is that fouls are really... We're taking a lot of fouls which was messing us up. So you find that at the end of the day, the right combination was not coming in.
Nazarene is a very tough team to beat. They're always that team that disturbs majority of the teams in the Premier League. And they're well coached, and I mean, it's a bunch of young talent. So I think that's done and dusted. We wait to play them again on the return leg. But I mean, it's a win. I think I needed the win more than they did. I can't speak on their behalf, but I'm glad we got the win.